Welcome you guys to the 2026 Cheltenham races here in Benidorm. Look at this. Look at this weather, it's awful around here. No one out there at the outside bars, everyone is inside there, in the back. Let's continue. I'll show you guys how Benidorm is looking like today during the Cheltenham races. This morning was perfectly fine. Unfortunately now, a big rainstorm with quite some wind is going through the city. So I'm going to show you guys the strip, how all the bars are, where all the people are hanging out. Loads of them are inside there at Uncle Peds. Don't forget, hit that like button, really does help, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Oh, the weather is really awful. So as you've probably noticed already, I've got another camera with me, a different one than I usually have. Oh, this isn't working, look. But yeah, what I did wanted to say before my umbrella completely collapsed. This is horrible as well. I got another camera with me, one that is waterproof. Don't want to ruin my proper camera for this. Let's walk around the city a bit. For the hotels over here. This isn't Benidorm like you wanted it to if you're coming here for it. Definitely not. Thankfully the upcoming day should be better. Friday, even 20 degrees, full on sunshine. Wish we were there already. There we go at the strip where it begins, Morgan's Tavern. It's closed, it looks like. Yeah, no one inside, just some work going on there. Got the Waikiki bar. Police is on patrol, but I don't think there's anyone walking around right now. Everyone is inside. Back there, the wild duck. Everyone nice inside. Doesn't rain in the bars, they always say. Thankfully, here in Benidorm, that is the same case. As long as you're inside, the atmosphere is definitely okay. You don't notice the rain. Of course, some sunshine would be nice. But out here, it's really quiet everywhere. Thank you, mate. Marina Resort, the new outside terrace, big screen up there, few people under there, that's it.
At the start of the season, will I be surprised when a champion I saw?
This was not the video I wanted to make. Let's do this over again tomorrow, hopefully with some sunshine. Don't forget to hit liking and subscribing, guys. Thank you.